Let me thank the good people of Rivers State for maintaining peace within this period of state of emergency. We've all displayed maturity and show that Rivers people are great people and they are peace-loving people. You are all aware that on the 30th of this month, we're going to have a local government chairmanship election. And we've done all due diligence to ensure it's going to be peaceful. We've been holding meetings with stakeholders. We've only gone to local governments and every other places to sensitize our people. And we've also directed the local government administrators to equally talk to people and hold stakeholders meeting, in which all has been done, and the response has been very positive. I want us to be rest assured that we made all possible, including manpower, security, to ensure that this election is free, fair, and very peaceful. We have robust security on ground. All the security agencies are going to participate, and police as the lead agency, we are ready to lead. All the materials are going to be ensured that they are escorted, peoples will be protected, all areas will be fortified. I want to assure people that are going to cast their vote that they are going to have a robust security and they should have no fear. Their franchise should be ensured that they cast all necessary votes they need to cast. We're going to be there for them from the beginning, before, during, and after the election. So I want to implore you that those that may want to foment trouble to desist from that, because we are not going to take it kindly. We've also done all the needful to ensure all cult activities and people that may be able to want to disrupt the peaceful election have been checkmated. We've been having series of raid in all black spots and vulnerable points, and I think we have it good now. We've also called stakeholders meeting in which all parties have signed peace accord and have given their word that they're going to maintain peace during the election. So please, I want to encourage all of you to have no fear. Go out in your mass and vote for who you want to vote for. Security is well in place, like I said. All the service commanders have synergized and ensure that we have all it takes on ground, manpower, equipment, to ensure there's a free, fair election. I wish us all the best. We also have a joint control room where you can report all matters as it happens within any area at which any incidents occur. Try to use those numbers. It will be displayed for you. I wish us a successful election. Thank you, everyone, and God bless. He's going to participate in the security of the election. We are going to make it solely military and police affair because it's a state of emergency. We will not want any agency to perform that election with us. Our men will solely be involved in that election. Thank you. Yes, we have gotten enough manpower for this election. I don't want to give out the figure for security reasons, but I want you to know that all agencies, government agencies, will participate in this election. The police, the military, even though the military will have to cordon and not be actually too visible. The police will be visible in all those polling points. We have men all over. The immigration, federal road safety, other sister agencies will join in this election. We definitely will have men, we have PMF men from Abuja to equally come to complement our men here. We have enough manpower on ground for this election. I can assure you there won't be a problem. And if there have to be anyone who is trying to foment trouble, we have what it takes to keep them in check. Yeah, on the issue of a restriction, yes, at the eve of the election, 12 midnight, on the eve of the election, there will be restriction of movement until 6 p.m. when the election will come to an end. For VIPs and those that are on essential duty, we're going to give them a pass. For those that are also on election duty, there's going to be a pass for them to place on their vehicle. And there are also going to be identity card given to members of the press and others that are performing serious duties within those periods, like the medical doctors and other VIPs that needs to move around those times. We'll give them identification tag equally for their vehicle. Even for our security men, they have their also tag on them to know that they are not being faked. So on that day, people will be given, those that are on essential duty will be given what it takes for them to move around. And we are appealing to people to ensure that they abide by that strict restriction, so that we won't have people infiltrating into the command and disturbing the peace of the election. I'm sure as soon as the election goes to an end, we'll all allow everybody to be free. And those that are on essential duty will definitely give opportunity to move around, because they're going to be giving tags. And NGOs that come to observe too, they are all going to be giving tags to allow them to move freely to be able to observe the election. Thank you.